I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Bostitch. Stanley. Ain't that Stanley Bostitch? Yeah, Stanley. I got this free. And hopefully it works. I don't know anything about this other than it was free. And it was pretty good because my little bitty redwood here, it gave up the ghost on me, man. And I got some projects I need to do in the backyard. And I need to carry that with me. So what I thought is, this is free. Pick it up. Just test it. And if not, then we could take parts and fix my little one here. Either way. Because I just really need it for like screws, you know. On a couple of those riding modes in the backyard that I need to go ahead and get finished up. So today our project is going to be Stanley Bostitch, all free compressor, air compressor. Let's plug it up and see if these leaks come on. Alright, so it's going up. It shouldn't take too long. It's only 6. That would work perfectly. Because I can still carry it to the back and it'll still do what I needed to do. Which means I'll probably end up having to work today. Also, while we waiting, I'm gonna be getting on this sometime today. Gentleman brought it in. I think I haven't did anything, looked at it or anything. I don't see nothing leaking on it, anything. And when I took it off the truck, the bottom was good, so I'm thinking it's just a dirty carb on it. And so making a video probably be next up after this here. Alright, y'all. What y'all think? Let it keep running or stop the video, bring you back when it dies? Alright, I'm gonna bring you back with a diet. That's only around 80. And it should have to get around at least 120. Okay, first things first. It was filling up. You see there's at 60. Here. The knob was messed up. Get it? And it was also leaking from here. Okay. So that's right here. Those pieces. So what I'm finna do, first thing we do, is let some air out. We're gonna let the air out. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that piece off the red one that died. Because it's the easiest thing than taking all that off to put on the red. Hopefully they've been draining this and they ain't got all that nasty fluid in it. Had a little, not much. We're gonna leave that one over there open for a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna start taking these off. That may be why he got rid of it. Oh, she or whoever it was for. Those two deals. Guess probably I bet you it was the O-rings in here. I should have brought some bigger pliers. Yep, probably should have brought some bigger pliers. Don't know why that one. Like it's stripped. That's what. Like it's stripped. Probably should have unplugged that. Y'all didn't see me jump. All right. Okay. Have to get something small to get underneath there. Openings, baby. At the right size, we gotta go different size. I think that'll work. I'm hoping. I have to take that. I may have to take that one off piece by piece also. I was hoping I'd get it all in one piece. If I have to though, this one has the nut right here, and I could loosen it and turn it where I can spin this all the way off. Hopefully that's enough. I gotta worry about my cards and things. All right. And that's that one. Yeah, I don't know why this one gave up the ghost. But you can see on them threads. Alright, y'all, I got to get some pipe tape for one. I gotta get pipe tape. I gotta get the other pieces off, so let me do that and then I can bring y'all back and be putting this back together. Okay, so I was able to get what I needed off in one piece. Trying to get it back on now. Working a little too hard. Forgot I had the wrench. Let's get this around one more time. That'd be good enough. I'm gonna have to put it like so. For some fact, I can see the gauge, but I can get to the knob. This is a different one, so the knob isn't right here like it was on the other one. I guess this ain't do or die time. Before I get rid of that, I better check and make sure that this sucker that works. So back you up, just in case it blow up. I don't want you saying, "Hey man, you could have moved me back." Gotta tighten that bottom. Yeah, now if everything working right, it usually don't take that long for them to air up. Wish I had me some soapy water. I could check my seat, my arm. Yeah, I wish I had me some soapy water. I could check my joints. Make sure I'm not getting no leaks, which is what I probably get me a little soapy water. But it was at 40 psi. Got a slight bubble that I saw, but that could be taken off and retaped with some pipe tape on it. wasn't no big bubble because you just seen the bubbles get big, you know, like the blowing bubbles. It was. We basically just waiting for it to cut off. All right, y'all. So it seemed to be holding steady. So I'm gonna call that a win. What do we do when we call that a win? We drink coffee. All right, y'all. Catch y'all on the next one.